In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear shocks on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely. To access the shock absorber mounting bolts, you need to remove the rear wheel arch trim and the mudguard. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 8mm socket, unscrew the wheel arch trim and mudguard retaining screws. Remove the wheel arch trim. Next, remove the mudguard. You can now see the shock absorber on your car. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using an 18mm wrench, loosen the upper retaining nut of the shock. Block the rotation with a 9mm wrench. Brush off the shock's lower retaining bolt, then spray it with penetrating oil. Then, using a ratchet and a 21mm socket, loosen the shock's lower retaining nut. Hold the bolt using a 21mm wrench. Then, remove the bolt. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Hold the shock absorber with one hand and finish unscrewing the retaining nut with the other. Remove the washer and the bushing. You can now extract the shock. Using a wire brush, brush off the location of the shock absorber and grease it to make it easier to install. You can order the shocks used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take your new shock. Install the lower washer and bushing. Insert the new shock starting from the top part. Install the upper bushing and washer. Loosely screw the nut back on and hold it together. Insert the shock into its lower slot. Then install the lower retaining bolt. Next, screw back on until the nut is tight. In order not to damage, it is necessary to tighten the holding bolts with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Presently, the jack stands are positioned on the rear axle, so the shock is in the right operating position. Screw the upper nut back on until it makes contact. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can now repeat the same process on the other side. Put the mudguard back in place. Replace the wheel arch trim. Then retighten the screws. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.